What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Enoylity Technologies. So, previously we have reviewed the AOHI 30W super fast charger and it was damn good. But now, here is the upgraded version, the AOHI 65W PD fast charger. The single charger can charge wide range of notebooks, iPhones, Android phones, tablets, earbuds, smartwatches and even drones. The small charger is powered with the GaN Plus technology, due to which it is able to produce 93% of conversion rate with higher efficient charging power, that too without producing much heat. Now, talking about the design, it is pretty good, pretty compact and nice textured, coming with Type-C slot and LED indicators. The LED indicate amber breathing light showing fast charging, a solid blue light for standard charging and a solid green light for trickle charging. Apart from this, it is 60% smaller than the original Apple charger, which is less bulky to carry around in your pockets. In the box, we get the charger, a Type-C to Type-C cable and a user guide. We have done a charging test on our iPhone XS Max from 0 to 100 and here are the results. It also charges your MacBook Pro in just 1.5 hours. So basically it comes with two different appearances, the one with black and another in white. And also it is equipped with intelligent chipset from Power Integration, with which the charger will adjust the output voltage at different charging status, which will protect your phone from all aspects. So, if you are looking out for a charger which will be the only one for your laptops, mobile phones, drones and other accessories, then this is the perfect choice for you. So, here is all about the AOHI 65W PD fast charger. I hope you like this video. If so, please consider subscribing to the channel. This is Enoylity Technologies and we will see you guys in the next one. Till then, peace out.